Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I'm Hasham. So far 7 problems I have completed in this topic of calculating the forward outright rates, finding out the spreads and finding out the premium or discount of foreign currency when spot rate is given and the forward points are given. In examination frequently these type of problems will be asked. So the whole problems depends on the theory. So my suggestion to my dear students, first of all watch the theory videos, be perfect about the concept. Then only you can be able to understand the problems. So far I have uploaded nearly 13-14 videos on this international finance. Now this will be the last and final problem, 8th problem. Then we can start the next topic in this international finance. Apart from this international finance, I have uploaded so many videos on other subjects like cost accounting, management accounting, financial accounting, corporate accounting, income tax, auditing, statistics. So many videos are there. So visit the playlist of my channel, select the subject, select the videos and watch the complete video so that you can get the confidence on the subject. That is the main reason I give more concentration on theory. Theory is the foundation. Don't underestimate, don't ignore the theoretical part. Don't focus only on solving the problems. So before starting the problem, I expect my viewers to have a printout of the problems which I have given in the link under my description. Take the screenshot of the points written, then I'll explain every point in detail. Come on, see the 8th problem. The following are the spot 1 month, 3 month, 6 month forward exchange rates between Indian rupee and US dollar. The quotations are given. Spot quotation is given outright. The outright rate is rupees 71.2345 by 54. What does this mean? The first rate is the bid rate and the second rate is the ask rate. Bid rate means the buying rate and ask rate is the selling rate. Whenever we ask a quotation from the banker, because the banker will sell and buy the foreign currency, so banker will give like this quotation. The banker will buy the foreign currency. Here in this case, home currency is Indian rupee and the foreign currency is US dollar. So rate is rupees 71.2345 is the buying rate. That means the banker will buy the dollars at 71.2345, whereas banker will sell the dollar at 71.2354. Last 2 digits 45. Remove 45 and write 54. You will get the ask rate, right? So bid rate and ask rate, spot is given, whereas 1 month forward it is not given outright rate. It is given the points 60 by 72. And 3 months 63 by 48, 6 months 56 by 39. So you must know how to convert these points into outright rates. That is the main question. You are asked to find out the bid ask prices. That means forward 1 month, forward 3 month, forward 6 month. Bid ask rates. Rates means outright rates. You have to convert those points into outright rates and premium or discount. So we have to find out whether the foreign currency goes at premium or discount. So until and unless we convert that prices, that points into outright rates, we cannot forward the premium or discount. Now, first of all, the spot rate and forward quotations of for INR and USD are given. Spot is rupees 71.2345 bid rate and 71.2354 is the ask rate. Last 2 digits 45 निकाल देंगे, 54 लिख देंगे, तो ask rate. Now 1 month forward points are given 60 by 72, 3 months 63 by 48, 6 month 56 by 39. So first of all, spot rate 73.2345 dash 73.2354. This is the bid rate and this is the ask rate, spot. That's it. Now we have to convert these forward points into forward outright rates. Now I'll give you one clue, one knack. So always while watching my video, always keep a calculator, notebook, pen ready. When I say something important, immediately note it down. Now I'm giving you the knack how to convert the forward points into forward outright rates. These points, 1 month forward exchange rate, the points are 60 by 72. Now you compare the first point. First point is more or less. The first point is 60. Second point is 72. 60 is less than 72. That means the foreign currency goes at a premium. Write it down. If the first point is less than the second point, the foreign currency goes at premium. Then add the points. These points should be added, right? So here I have written, so USD goes at premium as the first point is less. 60 is less than 72. So add the point to the spot rate. What is the spot rate? 71.2345. Take 71.2345 plus. How much is the point? 60. So 0.0060. Last two digits we should take. Right? The last two digits is 60. So 0.0060. If you add up these two, 71.2405. This is the 1 month forward bid rate. Now ask rate. What is the spot ask rate? 71.2354. This is the ask rate, spot ask rate. How much point we have to add? 0.0072. 0.0072. Add up 71.2426. This is the 1 month forward outright rate. So we have converted. Again I repeat how? By comparing these 2 points. If the first point is less, the foreign currency goes at premium, add the points like this. Now this means the bank is willing to buy US dollar at 71.2405 and the bank is ready to sell the US dollar at 71.2426. Always the ask rate will be greater than the bid rate. Always. Now 3 month forward. In 3 month forward, what is the forward point? The forward point is 63 by 48. That means the first point is greater. In the 1 month, first point was less. Second, 3 month forward, 63 by 48, the first point is greater. In this case, the foreign currency goes at a discount. US dollar goes at discount in 3 month period. In that case, subtract the points. When it goes at premium, we have added the points. When the foreign currency goes at discount, subtract the points. So we subtract the points from the spot rate. What is the spot rate? 71.2345. From this, minus 0.0063. Minus 0.0063. Subtract 71.2282. Similarly, ask rate. The spot ask rate is 71.2354. Minus 0.0048. 0.0048. So if you subtract 71.2306, this means the bank is willing to buy the US dollar at 71.2282 and the bank is ready to sell the dollar at 71.2306. 3 months completed. Now 6 months forward. In 6 month forward, what is the point, forward point? 56 by 39. Again, the first point is greater. So foreign currency goes at a discount. Subtract the point, just like the 3 month. Exactly just like the 3 month. Right? 56 by 39. So USD goes at discount as the first point is greater than the second one. So we subtract the points. What is the spot rate? 71.2345. So 71.2345 minus 0.0056. you will get 71.2289. Similarly, the ask rate 71.2354 minus 0.0039 after subtracting 71.2315. So bank is willing to buy the US dollar at 71.2289 and the bank is ready to sell the dollar at 71.2315. That's all. So 1 month, 3 month and 6 month. We have converted the forward points into forward outright rates. First part completed. Second part, spread. Spread means the difference between ask rate and bid rate. That means ask minus bid. What you get? Spread. If you want to calculate percentage spread, then ask minus bid divided by ask into 100. This is the formula for percentage spread. So we can find out percentage spread at the spot rate, at 1 month forward, at 3 month forward and 6 month forward. For all the 4 cases, we can calculate what is a percentage spread. First of all, spot. In the spot rate, what is the ask rate? 71.2354. What is the bid rate? 71.2345. So ask minus bid. So 71.2354 minus 71.2345 divided by ask rate. The ask rate is 71.235 into 100. You will get 0.0013. That is the percentage spread in case of spot. Same is the case in case of 1 month forward. So 1 month forward here, the bid rate is 71.2405, ask rate is 71.2426. So ask minus bid 71.2426 minus 71.2405 divided by 71.2426. Ask minus bid divided by ask into 100, 0.0030. This is 1 month forward. Now 3 month forward, here it is 3 month forward. Ask rate is 71.2306, 71.2306 minus bid rate 71.2282 divided by ask rate 71.2306 into 100.0034. Right? Now 6 month forward. In 6 month forward, what are the rates? 71.2315 minus 71.2289 divided by 71.2315 into 100, 0.0036. So we have calculated percentage spread for spot rate, 1 month forward, 3 month forward and 6 month forward. Now, in a table, we can easily put like this. It will be easier. It will be more understandable. So spot, 1 month, 3 month, 6 month. Bid rate, ask rate, percentage spread. Spot rate. The spot rate is given 71.2345 and 71.2355. Bid rate and ask rate. Spread. Spread already we have calculated percentage 0.0031. All these things we have already calculated. Now we are putting it in a tabular form, in a table. So here 3 month forward. 1 month forward. 1 month forward here. Bid rate 71.2405 and ask rate 71.2426. And the percentage spread is 0.0030. Similarly, 3 month, here 3 month, then 6 month. So in a table, we have written all the bid rate, ask rate and percentage spread. Now lastly, it is asking you to calculate forward premium or discount. In the earlier problems also, we have applied this formula to calculate forward premium or discount compared to the spot price. So what is the formula? F minus S by S into 12 by N into 100. F stands for forward rate. S stands for spot rate divided by spot rate into 12 by N. N stands for number of months forward. 1 month or 3 month or 6 month into 100. Now you have to remember, if F is greater, that means forward rate is greater than the spot rate, it means foreign currency goes at premium. Foreign currency goes at premium. When F is greater than S, forward rate is more than spot rate. If It is opposite. If forward rate is less than the spot rate, the foreign currency goes at a discount. In simple words, if you get positive value, premium. If you get negative value, it is discount. So we will calculate 1 month forward. 1 month forward, we will calculate what is the premium or discount for bid rate and ask rate. So bid rate. Bid rate, it is given. We have calculated forward rate and spot rate. What is the forward rate 1 month forward? 71.2405. What is the spot rate bid rate? 71.2345. यहाँ पर 71.2405 minus 71.2345 divided by spot rate 71.2345 into 12 by 1 month forward. So n is equal to 1 into 100. You will get 0.101%. You are getting positive value because forward rate is more than the spot rate. Forward rate is more than the spot rate. The foreign currency goes at premium. You are getting positive value premium. Ask rate. The ask rate, 1 month forward ask rate is 71.2426. And what is the spot ask rate? 71.2354. So here what is happening? 71.2426 minus 71.2354 divided by 71.2354 into 12 by 1 into 100. 0.121%. Again positive. That means bid and ask, both we have positive premium. Percentage premium we have calculated. Now 3 month forward. Now 3 month forward you can say bid rate. Bid rate is 71.2282 minus 71.2345. That means the forward rate is less. See here. Bid rate 3 month forward 71.2282. This is the forward rate and spot rate is 71.2345 divided by spot rate 71.2345 into 12 by 3 because 3 months forward into 100. You are getting negative minus 0.035. When you are getting negative, it means 3 month forward discount. For 3 months forward, the foreign currency goes at discount. Same is the case for ask price. Forward rate is 71.2306 minus spot rate 71.2354. Here it is 71.2354 divided by 71.2354 into 100 into 12 by 3 into 100. Here minus 0.027%. So 3 month we have calculated. Lastly, 6 month forward. In 6 month forward bid rate, the forward rate is 71.2289, spot rate is 71.2345 divided by 71.2345 into 12 by 6 month forward. So you are getting minus 0.016, again negative, so discount. Here also same thing, 71.2315 ask rate, forward ask rate and spot ask rate 71.2354 divided by 71.2354 into 12 by 6 into 100 minus 0.780 discount. So only for 1 month forward we have premium, whereas 3 month forward and 6 month forward we have discount. That's all. This is the end of 8th problem. Totally 8 problems I have explained. Remember, these problems require practice. Simply if you watch the video, listen the lecture without practicing, you cannot be able to get the grasp on this type of problems. So it requires some practice. So my suggestion to my dear students, already you are having the problems worksheet. From that problems, you take the same problem and try to solve it yourself. And watch the video not once, 2 times, 3 times. Then only you can be able to get the complete command. So if you are satisfied with my lecture, give a like to the video, share my channel and subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. So inshallah we'll continue the next topic in the next video.